Government Tripura Director of Family Welfare ni bisingtui kaisa notification nokhaka multi-purpose worker male and female ni bagai talangjangnai job abo online application khaijanai friends koroni age limit tongo 18 ni simi 40 bochor ni bisingo tai SC ST aborok 5 year manai koro bini basic pay rejak tongo abongka 16,050 ke tayoro tongo male MPSW MPW koro total talangjanai male longno 50 aboni bisingo oro vacancy bakjaka SC ST UR khaiye ke singor nalainai SC tongo 8 kata ST tongo 16 UR tongo 26 tai X service ni bagai UR tongo 1 ke tayoro nayonai sing MPW female long ni bagai bo haino 50 vacancy tongo ka aborok wngkha SC o tongo 9 jona ke ST o tongo 15 jona tai UR tongo 26 jona friendsong ro tabuk sung bini education qualification halainai ke aboni bagai 12 pass friendsong nangnai aboni pore training khaijak NM tai multi-purpose worker course abo khlaijak nangnai 2 year bini internship paijak nangnai aboni bagai sung oro tabukta kaisa nainai Registration Nursing Council of Tripura State Diploma Nursing Examination Board registered candidate only will be allowed to apply online application sajagoro jara Tripura Nursing Council heko Tripura State Diploma in Nursing Exam Board to register candidate borokno oro apply khaimanani sajago tai aboni bagai bini qualification ke knowledge nangnai Bengali tei kok borok selection khaijaknai written examination hajaknai tai viva tongo interview hingke tai oro form bo online ti submit khaijaknai bini website wngkha www.healthtripura.gov.in ta kaisa tongo oro hingke healthrecommend.tripura.gov.in oro o link ti habui norok khlaimanai tini ni simi 30 August 2024 ni simi 28 September ni bisingo friends hingka norok jodi khaina muchungkhe norok oro khaimano friends oboni website ni bisingtwi hingke asano friends bujiya tongkha comment khaidi hambai।